Hello guys, welcome to our new vlog. As we are going back to Pune from our trip to South Goa, we decided to stay at Panjim for a night to visit some old churches and other tourist spots nearby. We went through a Talsetu Bridge, a significant landmark in Goa, which is lit up very beautifully during night. These are some old churches we visited in Goa. Basilica of Bom Jesus is a UNESCO heritage site and is one of the most famous and significant churches in India. The basilica is known for its architectural beauty, historical importance, and religious significance. The exterior of the basilica is simple yet elegant. The basilica is open for tourists throughout the year. People can go inside the church, but photography is not allowed. As it is a religious place, people should also be mindful about their attires. Opposite to Basilica of Bom Jesus are Se Cathedral, the convent and church of Saint Francis of Assisi, and the chapel of Saint Catherine. Goa is not only known for its beautiful beaches and vibrant culture, but it is also known for its historical churches and convents. Many of these churches and convents are UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Se Cathedral is dedicated to Saint Catherine of Alexandria. It is such a beautiful church with well-maintained garden. The convent and church of Saint Francis of Assisi is located near Se Cathedral. There is a museum in the convent that showcases various religious artifacts, sculptures, and objects. The chapel of Saint Catherine is relatively small and simple compared to some of the grander churches in Goa. Currently, the chapel is under renovation. These churches are located in Old Goa, and this is one of the popular tourist spots in Goa. Unlike the other churches, the Immaculate Conception Church is located in the heart of Goa's capital city, Panjim. It is currently closed for the public to enter inside the church, but there is space for those who want to pray, and still you can take photo from the outside. This is the street opposite to the church. Our next destination is Fontainhas. Fontainhas is located in the capital city of Goa, Panjim. It is a must-visit destination in Goa. It is known for its colorful houses and narrow winding streets. It is open for everyone, but photography is prohibited in some establishments. You can also explore some cafes and restaurants in the area. Parra Road is known for its scenic beauty, surrounded by coconut trees and overlooking fields. It is located in North Goa, close to the town of Mapusa on Kalangote Road. We recommend you to visit this place early morning to avoid crowds. We stayed at Ginger Hotel located in Panjim. The room is so nice and colorful. Their breakfast buffet offers various foods. They have Indian breakfast, different kind of fruits and breads, some protein like sausages and eggs. The lounge has ample space. On our way back to Pune, we went via Amboli. We stopped by to see the beautiful Amboli Waterfalls. The waterfall is just so mesmerizing. This concludes our trip to Goa. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in our next trip.